In this video, I am going to show you how you can validate or verify your bulk emails for free. Yes, so if you want to start sending emails, the first thing you need to do is to clean your emails after extraction to avoid high bounce rates. If you are new to this YouTube channel, SAS Media Studio, all you have to do is hit the subscribe button. Make sure you like this video. Alright, now when it comes to the playlist section, you are going to see playlist of our email stuffs. Okay, so we have code email marketing playlist. Make sure you check it out. We have a lot of email content inside there. The tool we are going to use is zero bounce. Okay, so I'm going to decline the cookies. I mostly don't like cookies. Right, so first of all, we need to sign up into this email account. Right, so I'm going to click on sign up free. All right, so now you can sign up with your Google account, or you can just enter the details yourself. So for the purpose of this video, I am going to sign up with Google. All right, so I'm just going to click on continue with Google. All right, and I'm going to select my Google account. Continue. So after creating your account, you need to verify your account. All right, so we have to provide our phone number. Okay, so first of all, you see it's compulsory, right? So I'm going to just write my phone number, then I'm going to select my industry. So I'll go for e-learning and education. Choose anything. Okay, then click next. All right, it says enhance your zero bounce experience. This is not compulsory, but I'm going for invalid data or high bounce rates. Then emails going to the spam, can't reach inbox, and I'm going to click next. So how many emails do you plan to validate each month? So I'm going for 5,000 to 50,000. If you have like more than 1 million emails, you can go for 1 million to 10 million. So I'm going to choose the smallest. Next, then where are you located? I'm in Ghana. Ghana. I'm going to select Ghana. Then time zone. I'm going to Accra. So next, thank you and welcome. So just click back to dashboard. So now this is your dashboard. So now you can see we have validate here. So the validate, you can validate one email, okay, here. Now I'm going to validate one email here. Then we will go and I'll teach you how you can validate bulk emails. You understand? All right. So first of all, I am going to enter my email over here. So I'm going for but I'm going to make a mistake in my email, okay? And I'm going to validate to see if that particular email is available. So I'm going to click go. So now it says status, it is invalid, okay? Sub status, mailbox not found. Okay, that particular email is not found. Is it free email? Yes, true, it is free email because it is at gmail.com. Okay, and Gmail is offering free emails. Okay, then did you mean this unknown? The account is this, and this is the domain gmail.com. All right, so you can see the domain is very old. Okay, so 10,876 days. That's how old the domain is. We also have SMTP provider. The SMTP provider is Google because you are using Gmail. Okay, the Gmail belongs to Google, right? Then you have MX record, yes, and you have the MX record. This is the MX record, and that is it. There's no first name, there's no last name, right? So now the email itself is wrong, but the Gmail is a valid domain. You understand? So that is it. And I'm going to validate bulk emails. But before that, check this section. You can see we have 4 credits. At first, now when you create an account with zero bounce, you are going to get 5 credits. And you can use 1 credit for 1 email validation. So you are going to get free 5 emails validation with zero bounce. And I'm going to show you how to buy more credit. Okay, very cool price. All right, so now I'm going to validate my email. Okay, I'm going to validate my business email. So support So support at smartvatepro.com. I'm going to click on go and let's see. Now the status is do not mail. So I'm going to explain that, don't worry. And the sub status is role based. Okay. Then the free email, it is not free email. And do you mean unknown? And the account is support and the domain is this. Okay. And the domain age is unknown. The SMTP provider is Hostinger. Okay. And MX record is yes and is available. Okay. Now the reason why they are saying do not mail is that this particular email does not have a lot of policies, okay, that is protecting this email. So they are basically advising you not to mail it, but it is an available email, you understand? And this is role based, okay, so that is it. So that's about this email. So what about I type my Gmail, correct Gmail account, sasmediastudio19@gmail.com. So I'm going to click on go. Now you can see this, the status is valid, sub status is none, it's free, okay, free. All right, and this is the account, this is a domain, and it's Google, and the domain is this age, have MX record, and you can see that this is a valid email, you understand? Now how can I validate bulk emails? All right, to validate bulk emails, it says validate new list. Okay, so you are just going to click on validate new list. All right, so now you can integrate so you can integrate email marketing tool. Okay, so if these tools has your email list, you can integrate it. Okay, if you have list of emails in your text file, in CSV or in spreadsheet, you can upload it here. So all you have to do is just click on this browse files section, or better still, you can drag and drop it into this section. So I'm going to click on browse files. All right, and I have my new email list over here. I'm going to click on open. All right, and it is going to upload that file with my list, my emails. All right, so these are the list of emails. I did a quick search of music labels and musicians in Ghana. All right, so yes, it says, does your first row contains labels? No, they are just emails. Okay, no labels. Can we remove duplicate? Yes. Then click next, and it is going to add to the list. So you say choose verify and plus settings. So always allow. Okay, it says accept for validation, but ask me first. So yes, so I will say accept for validation, but ask me first. I'm going to click next. Then it says sorry, you don't have enough credit to validate this file because your file contains 5 emails and you have only 1 credit. So the total list of the emails I have is 5 emails, but my credit left is only 1. So I'm going to show you how you can purchase more credit. All right, so it says credit never expire, right? So I'm going to click on purchase credit. Or better still, you can click buy credit up here, right? So you can validate 2,000 emails with $18. You can validate 5,000 emails with $40. You can validate 10,000 emails for $75. Now if you are looking at something more cheaper, I have email validator you are going to install on your computer, but you need an RDP that has port 25 open by default, and I can also get you that kind of RDP. All right, so if you want that kind of RDP, get to me. All right, and if you want email validator that you can install on your PC, get to me, and then I can get you going. So these are their pricing. Let's go to durability suite. So yes, you have the durability suite. So that with that you can get 15 bucks, whatever. I'm not here to talk about that. I'm here to talk about the email validation. Basically in this video I showed you how you can validate emails for free, but you can just validate only 5 emails. If you want to validate more than 5 emails, you need to purchase credit, and I've showed you how to purchase credit. So in case you want to buy credit, you can click on buy credit here, or you can import email. Okay, then use that process to buy credit. All right, so it is pay as you go, right? So you can click on subscribe now. and you can use your credit card to make the payment. Okay, so you just have to enter the details over here, then you click on subscribe, and there you go. You can also pay with link. All right, so this is how you can buy credit on zero bounce. Thank you for watching. If you are new to this YouTube channel, all you have to do is hit the subscribe button. Now please, those who want to learn how to create an SMTP server, I have a course on Udemy. I'll leave the link at the description, also at the first comment. Make sure you check that course out. Thank you for watching. Subscribe, give me a like, leave a comment at the comment section, and let's meet in the next video.